Hi, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. Thank you for choosing this tutorial video. Allow me to teach you how to play with yarn. Do subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is at this corner of the video. And do check out my other videos too. They are all as informative and fun to learn as this video. And today I'm going to make the letter K. I'm using cotton yarn. And someone requested a bag with the letter K, Kim, on the back, and this is how the K look like. These are made from rope yarn, but in order to show you, I'm gonna use cotton yarn. You can actually make all this alphabet in just about any type of yarn you can get hold of. It's just that when you use different type of yarn, you're gonna use a different type of hook size, and your alphabet size will come out slightly different. So it doesn't really matter what hook size you're using. So I said now I'm using 3.5 for a 5-ply cotton yarn. And to start this letter K, you're gonna make a knot. And this is just my habit of making a knot. Okay, once you have a knot, you're gonna chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have a chain 9 here. So after this chain 9, we're going to work on the bum side. If you notice, you're going to have a back loop here and a front loop here. The one that's facing us is the front loop, and this is the back loop. And when you turn to the back, you'll see all this hum here. So now we're going to work on the hum side, on the bum side. You can call it a hum or a bum. So now I'm going to turn to the back. So normally when we start a stitch, we would do on the second stitch from the hook. So this is the hook, this is the first stitch, this is the second stitch, and we're going to do it on the hum. Okay, so you go to the hum side here and do single crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So just now we started with chain 9. So now we have 4. So here, this part here, we are going to do a slip stitch. This next stitch here, we're going to do a slip stitch. So after this slip stitch, we are going to, the slip stitch, it doesn't really matter whether you're doing on the bum side. So here we're going to do chain 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. So you have 5 stitch here. Same thing, you turn on the bum side, and you're gonna start to do single crochet all the way down. So you should have 4 of it because you chain 5. By the time you turn, you do on the second stitch from your hook. So you're gonna have 4 double crochet here, and you go back to this same stitch here. I mean, if you made a hole here, you go to this side. You know, there's this strand here. In order not to make this hole too big, you just go to the middle here and do a slip stitch. So after this slip stitch, so this hole kind of like a seal back. So after this slip stitch, I'm gonna chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing, you're gonna turn your work, go to the bum side and do single crochet. So you should have 4 single crochet all in. So you have 4 single crochet, And this is the only strand that we have not worked on yet. So from here we are going to do single crochet on the bottom side all the way down. Whoops. So you should have 4 of it. It will turn out to look like a X. Okay. But when you sew it onto your bag or wherever, you make sure this part here stays straight and this two part goes out like this, so it will look like a K. So it's all depending on how you're gonna sew it, or if you're gonna glue it, you have to make sure this checks out, this comes out, and this straights, so it will form the letter K. So I hope this is informative to you. I hope you managed to learn the letter K. Do subscribe to my channel. Hope you have fun making the letter K, and I'll see you in my next post.